What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video on the Holley Terminator X for a Foxbody Mustang. And I've been looking online as far as keeping the factory AC. And I've been hearing that people have been cutting, wiring off their old harnesses and stuff like that. So I only saw one video about keeping your factory AC using the Holley Terminator X, and without all the cutting and splicing. Here's a kit right here that you're going to need to keep your factory AC. I paid about 85 bucks, and I got this from Current Performance Wiring. And untangle all this stuff here. So yeah, this is pretty much it right here. I'm gonna give you guys the rundown real quick as far as what's on this harness. So of course we got a 12-volt switch, got your ground, and then on here you got AC shutdown, and also your AC kick. Now, which is going to hook up to, I know you guys, everybody gets these in their Holley kit. It's the extra harness for your input and output. Now, if you go under these instructions, this is AC kick input number 1. You got connector A, which is going to be the white with blue. So you're going to hook up the AC kick wire to the white and blue wire. And then you got the AC shutdown, which is output number 3, on connector G, which is going to be a gray and black. So you're just going to go under here and look for A and G, and that's what you're going to hook those wires to. And also your AC compressor, so you go wire this up to your compressor. Now AC request, this is going to go to your AC switch, your control switch. And then versus AC pressure, that's going to go to, I believe that's going to go to your cyclone switch. So you go hook that up to that harness. And really that's pretty much it. And also I want to add in a couple things. And I've been hearing there's been a lot of issues with these idle air controls, with the idling, and so I went ahead and bought something totally different. I got on eBay for 13 bucks, which I'll go walk outside and show you guys real quick. So let me get back at you with that. Alright, so this is the new idle air control that I've seen a lot of people have been switching up, and I think the brand is a DTS, and this was only 13 bucks on eBay. And really this is for a 2008 to 2011 Ford Fiesta, but apparently this works pretty well. I was watching a couple of his videos online. And also, real quick, got the plate, since we're not going to be using it, for any emissions, the EGR. So I got this plate, I think it was Beefcake Racing, for like 20 bucks. So yeah, it's just a little block off plate. And then obviously you're gonna need the harness for this. So let me show you guys the harness that I got for like $14, and also that was on eBay. Walk over here real quick. Oh, walk around all this mess. Car parts everywhere. Alright. So here's the harness that I got, and it's by Holley. It's just extra wiring, input and output. It's about $35. I got it off Amazon. You know, free shipping, so I thought that would be the cheaper way. And for the idle air control that I got on eBay, here's the part number in case you guys need it. And yeah, it says like Ford Fiesta, but apparently this works really well. 13 bucks brand new, and it's a DTS, I believe that was the brand. And the wire, the little wiring harness is right here. 14 bucks, you're gonna need this to go with that. And also I got this on eBay. So here's the, just wrote this down for you guys in case you need it. That's for the idle air control. Yeah, a DTS idle air control, and then that's the harness, $14, and then the Holley for $35 on Amazon. And real quick, so, and you gotta hook this up to, let me see here, these instructions here. It's gonna go to J1B connector, where it says B1 and B2. You got the idle air control low and then the high. And also you're gonna be using, let's see, B8 and then B9, where it says idle air control low and high. So you're gonna go to the J1B connector, which is gonna be not the big one, but it's gonna be the small one here. And then what I had to do is you have to go to the back here and pop that little tab right there, that little white tab. You're gonna pop it with a screwdriver so you can pull those little white pins out, and then from there you could just poke these wires right on in, and make sure they're all the way in, because I couldn't push these tabs back when I got the wires in. So make sure they're in all the way. You'll hear a click. And for the, let's see, B1, it's going to be this top one. It's going to be the white with the red stripe. And next to it, it's going to be here B2, which is the white and the black. And then you're going to go down to 8 and 9. I don't know if you guys could see that, but a little hard to see. So 8 is going to be the white with the green, and then 9 is going to be the white with the blue. So that's what you're going to use. And of course I don't have these wires ran. I'm going to run it out to the engine bay, and then you're going to hook it up to your new, this new harness here for your new idle air control. And then you're going to do the, I think number 2, which is going to be the white with the black. You're going to pull it the black. And then number 1 is going to be the white and red. You'll hook that to your red. And pretty much they're all going to be the same, besides obviously the white one. So the white with the blue wire is going to go with the blue. And then obviously your white with the green is just going to go to this white wire. And then from there, you know, you'll have everything all hooked up. And then you got to go into, you know, I guess reprogram everything through your, you know, through the computer. But other than that, though, this is the things that I used as far as like add-ons. But yeah, instead of all that cutting and splicing, guys, I think this is a better way to go. This is the way I'm going. But yeah, here's the part number for the Holley harness. Like I said, it was only 35 bucks on, was it, Amazon. And then here's the current performance wiring. That's to keep your factory AC. Like I said, it comes with all the instructions as far as what wire goes to what. And really, they even got a little picture here so you know what's going to what. Like I said, the AC request is going to go to your control switch, you know, your 12-volt switch and ground, you know, your kick input, and then the shutdown output is going to go to that harness that I showed you guys, the Holley harness. Yep, the AC compressor, it's going to go to your compressor harness, and then your pressure switch. Got the input and output. I believe that's for, I'm pretty sure that's for the cyclone switch. So that's gonna hook up to there. Yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the add-ons. Yeah, hopefully this helps some of you guys out instead of doing all that cutting and splicing. Oh yeah, also, I know, I'm sure it's just a little extra something here. But here's a part number for, it's just a connector for your brake level, I guess the brake sensor. That's it right there, brand new. Like I said, you could just go right on autos. I just got this from AutoZone for like 13 bucks. Because let's be real, I mean, some of these connectors are just no good. They're just falling apart. So I had to get rid of that. But yeah, as far as, and of course, yeah, I had to do a little custom here for the oil sensor here for Holley. And then also I got the a digital dash, so that came with all new wiring, harness to run all that, so I don't need to splice anything over here. But other than that, hopefully this helps you guys out.